Thank you, Dia. Well, Kentucky is now the 16th state to recognize constitutional carry after Governor Bevin signed Senate Bill 150 into law last night.
The bill, supported by the NRA, allows people to carry a concealed weapon without a permit or training. LEX 18's Alexa Helwig talked with a Lexington-based man who offers concealed carry classes to see if this will affect business.
As this legislative session comes to an end, Governor Matt Bevin has made some big moves, signing some high-profile bills into law. Senate Bill 150 has been a talker around the bluegrass, allowing anyone over 21 to conceal their weapon without a permit or training.
I do believe that this law was the right thing.
Josh McFadden owns a local business that offers gun safety classes that a person would need to apply for a concealed carry permit. As this new law goes into effect in a few months, he worries about his small business.
I believe that in the past, folks took a lot of these gun safety classes that I do, or the certification classes, because they were compelled to do it in order to get their, in order to be able to carry a concealed weapon.
But Josh's views on his right to bear arms doesn't change.
I don't believe you should have to rent or buy your rights from the government.
Kentucky is currently an open carry state, but this new law extends that rule to concealed carry. Opponents wish the training requirement wouldn't have been dropped.
A firearm is not a toy. It's not something that you can just walking around with it without any kind of training or understanding how to use it. I wouldn't be surprised if people got hurt.
Firearms safety and security training is ahead of the game, already offering permitless concealed carry classes. Covering the news in Lexington, Alexa Helwig, LEX 18 News.